today I'm going to be showing you how to make the first square in the Haven blanket. I am using my Lion brand, feels like Butta yarn in a dark gray that I had in my stash. I'm going to be using my Furls 6mm Tunisian crochet hook. You'll need a 6mm Tunisian crochet hook that's either with an 8-inch cord or 12 inches long for the squares. So to get started, we are going to chain 20. So I'm going to just do a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then what we're going to do is we are going to work into the back bumps here and just do a Tunisian simple stitch into each stitch. So the foundation row, we are just gonna go into the back bump, loop here, yarn over, and pull up a loop. I'm gonna do that all the way across. So go into the back bump, yarn over, pull up a loop. So I'm just gonna continue that all the way across. We're just continuing all the way across. Alright, so we have 20 stitches. Now we're going to do the return pass. We're going to yarn over, chain 1 into this last stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to continue that all the way across. So we are working our return pass. Alright, and then we are going to work into our next row. We're going to work into these vertical bars that you see. So we're going to go into the next vertical bar. We never work into that first bar here because that's your first stitch. We never work into that in Tunisian crochet. So we're going to go into the next vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Go into the next bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. And we're just going to continue that all the way across. Until we reach the last stitch. And then when we get to that last stitch, you want to work under both of these loops. So go under the V, yarn over, pull up a loop. And then we're going to do the return pass as we previously did. Yarn over, we're going to chain 1 to this last stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 all the way across. yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way across. And basically we're just gonna continue our simple stitch row and our return pass. I'm gonna continue repeating this row until we have 14 rows. And I will meet you once I'm at the last row. Alright, so I'm on the last row here, row 14, and we're just gonna do one more row of the simple stitch, and then I will show you how to bind off. Alright, and now we are going to bind off. So the way you do that is we are going to go into the next vertical bar like we would, yarn over, and instead of pulling a loop up, we're going to pull it through the previous stitch. You want to do this loosely, keep your tension loose, yarn over, pull through the previous loop, yarn over, pull through the previous loop, yarn over, pull through the previous loop. The reason why you want to keep your tension loose is because we're going to be single crocheting around when we complete the blanket. So you're just going to make as many squares as you need for the size that you're making, and that's it. Yarn over, pull through here, yarn over, pull through here. Alright. And then again, remember to work under both of these loops, yarn over, pull through, and then we are just going to cut the yarn. But this is what your first square will look like, and then I'll show you the next 2 squares and the next 2 parts. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you loved the tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out the next tutorials in the playlist. I will see you guys next time.